3D printer, so put in the comments of this video some stuff I should 3D print. Not really 3D printing anything right now, but the first person in comments something they want 3D printed, I will print. So just put whatever you want in the comments, and for the first one, you get it printed.